Welcome back to story time with Auntie Robin. We have Honk, Splat, Vroom by Barry Gott. Barry Gott, a lot to say. Start your engines. Ready? Set, go! Achoo! Vroom! 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 Oh, poor little blue mouse. Splat! Splat, 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 splat. Oh no! Boink! 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 Whoop! He's hopping. Boink! 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 Boo! Ha ha! Honk! Honk! Vroom! Zoom! Splash! Vroom! Ha ha! Honk! Honk! Aw, no! Honk! Vroom! Woo! Yeah! Gives him a hug. Honk! Vroom! Vroom! Meow! Ah! Honk! Honk, honk. Vroom! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip. Meow.